there, this is Roza Sure Bagus. Finally, I've got my German baby in my home, Thermomix 6, which is the Rolls Royce of the kitchen equipment that you can have in your home. And what I've got here is a cookbook for Tasty Asia, lots of Asian meals here. And this is the big baby that I just got to my home yesterday, but I didn't have any time to unbox it yesterday. So this is it, and this is the additional bowl that I'm getting. So let's unbox it. Okay. I guess this is the accessories. I just put it aside. Oh, there's another cookbook here. Another cookbook. Nice. And a German baby in the book. Yeah, and we have skin mail that comes to the baby. Okay, I have to lift up the baby upright. There we go. I'm going to unveil my baby. Unwrap my baby. Wow. Wow, this is the baby. And I'm going to open up the... Okay, the accessories. This is spatula. This is the butterfly whisk to whisk the egg white to make cakes. And this is the Varoma steaming set. So this is the cover. This is the card. Another layer. And this is the measuring cup. This is the cover, is the measuring cup that measures 400 ml and 50 ml. There you go. So this is going to be like this. Okay, and cover the other one. Let's do it like this. Yeah? Okay, this is cool. Here comes the extra bowl that I got for my purchase. Another sitting basket. So this is the additional bowl, and you get a pin here. So this is super sensitive pin that cannot be touched with water. Okay, till then I need to set up my German baby, a Rolls Royce of the kitchen appliances in my home. Alhamdulillah. So stay tuned for more recipe and cooking tips from Roza Sure Bagus.